Hey, what's going on everybody? Steve here. Happy Tuesday. Today I have an unboxing video for you guys. I ordered a whole bunch of stuff last week. Some lenses, some filters, another cable bag. I ordered a screen for my Sony a7 III because it doesn't have a flip screen. So I ordered a screen that comes in tomorrow so I can record and see myself, because right now I'm using my Canon M50 and it has the flip screen, so it's pretty easy. Can't do that with the Sony. I needed a screen. That'll be in tomorrow. I'm going to record a few unboxings. I have 2 lenses and a new cable bag that I just got. I'm going to do a video for each, and I'm going to try to keep them all under 5 minutes. So the first lens, I'm going to open my 90mm F2.8 macro lens. I've been looking forward to getting new quality lenses. I've pretty much just been using my 50mm on my Sony a7 III and my kit lens. They're not bad, but I wanted to get some other lenses because I like taking pictures, in particular of like flowers or some of the items in my home. And you need a good macro lens for that. So let's open the box. Okay. This is beautiful. A whole bunch of instruction manuals, as you would, as one does. And then put the box down. We have the lens all nice and bubbly. Ooh, this one comes with a bag. These are the 2 lenses I just bought are by far the most expensive lenses I've ever bought for my for either of my cameras. So I'm not surprised it comes in a nice leather or pleather bag. We'll open this up. We have, this is actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. That's what she said. Since it's a prime lens, I thought it would be smaller, but we have that right there. And what is this on the bottom? See, this is why I love Sony. Not to say I don't like Canon. Every lens you buy from Sony comes with the, I don't even remember what they call these things. The little, oh my God. I'll think of it when it comes, but you clip it on the front. This piece right here. They all come with these. Canons, they make you buy them separately. Can't believe I can't remember the name. All right. See, garbage. Wow. All right, we'll put the bag over here. We will take my 50mm lens off of the a7 III. Oh boy. I'm so excited to start using this lens. I don't even know what the hell's written on this lens. It's an E-mount lens, clipped on nicely. Oh my God. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. I'll have some pictures. I'll post some, but this is a beautiful ass lens. Oh, this is nice. I'll have to learn. Wow. What the heck? There's autofocus, manual focus. Wow. Steady shot, an option to keep it on or take it off. This is amazing. Wow. So right here, where did I put the box? I just threw the box everywhere. Here is my Sony FE 90mm f2.8 macro G OSS lens. I really cannot wait to take this out. I'm going to post a lot of pictures with this. I'm going to have to go through the instructions because there are a lot of knobs and switches, and there's a button on here. I don't know what any of it does, but I'll figure it out. But yeah, that's the lens. So let me know what you want to hear. You could find me on Twitter at Strange177A. You can find me on Instagram at Strange177A or 31 Photography. I'm trying to post more of my just photography photos on there. So that's just THREE, the number 1 photography. And then you could follow me and Binh at Tech Guys Chronicles on Instagram. All right, I'll catch you on the next video, guys. See ya.